Today, here on BarTalk&Cocktails, we have a special day planned to honor the legendary barkeep of Hawaii, Harry YEE. We're raising our glasses to celebrate his 106th birthday. Although we lost Harry in 2022, his spirit and spirits live on in every tropical drink we sip. Known for his boundless creativity and flair for the exotic, Harry YEE's journey in the early 1950s at Henry Kaiser's Hawaiian Village Hotel is where he quickly became a pioneer in the world of tropical cocktails. As you may or may not know, in 1955, he introduced the delicate and edible Vanda Orchid as a garnish, marking the start of his legacy. His most famous creation, the Blue Hawaii, was crafted in 1957, inspired by the vibrant blue Hawaiian Ocean. It's blue! What's not to like about it, right? But Harry didn't stop there, no. He continued experimenting, inventing the tropical itch in 1957, which came with a playful wooden back scratcher. And, you know, it's one of Aaron's favorite tipples. Yeah, it is. In 1959, the Tapa Punch became the first cocktail to adorn an umbrella. Each cocktail was a testament to his ingenuity and the desire to offer something unique to every visitor. His drinks were not just beverages, they were experiences that transported people to the heart of Hawaii. Now, Harry, he didn't drink much himself, and often depended on his guests for feedback on his creations. But on the rare occasion when he did have a drink, it was cognac. So, in honor of Harry's 106th birthday, I decided to create a tropical drink that I think Harry would approve of, featuring his favorite spirit, cognac. Okay, we're gonna start with some full-fat coconut milk. This is like 400 milliliters, and actually, hang on. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna pop that into our blender. And I guess, you know, this is a coconut syrup, I guess, or is it a cream of coconut? Whatever you want to call it. This is the fastest way to make it. So what we're going to do is just start this at a really, really low, the lowest speed we can go, I guess is right here. And we're going to add a half a cup or 100 grams of granulated sugar. We're just going to blend this until all that sugar's dissolved. That's pretty much it. I'm in. And that's it. You don't have to put it on the stove to heat it up. And there it is. Look at that. Look at this beautiful thing. It's gorgeous. Whoa, yeah. Beautiful. I gotta taste some. I think the thing I like about this method is, number one, it's super easy. Number two, it isn't overly sweet. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Now, I've made cream of coconut syrup, whatever you want to call it, before. A little more labor intensive, but it's definitely worthwhile. Now, if you want to know how to make this more labor intensive version, click the link. Okay, we're going to start with our fabulous coconut syrup, cream of coconut, whatever the hell you call it. We're going for 2 ounces in our blender. We're going to follow that up with an overripe banana. It's like a medium-sized banana, and we don't want that much, about a half a banana, okay? And this is, yeah, this is overripe for sure. I'm liking it. And being overripe is going to give you that sweetness that you want, you know? Next is lemon juice. Now I chose lemon because, well, I find it a little sweeter and maybe a little less acidic than lime, but lime would definitely work. There's no question, lime would work. And what I'm looking for, 3/4 of an ounce. I think I'm in. Let's see. Yeah, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice. And again, you could use lime if you wanted a little more acidic. But yeah, like I said, I think lemons are a little sweeter and less acidic than limes. Cognac. I've got the Hennessy. And that's Harry's drink, when he did drink. I'm going for 1.5 ounces. That's happening in our blender. So what pairs well with coconut and banana? I'm thinking pineapple rum. Not a lot, maybe like a 1/2 ounce. Oh, there's 3/4 of an ounce. Perfect. In our blender it goes. Another good pairing with coconut and banana and cognac is rum. Yeah, I got Eldorado 12-year-old here. It's a beautiful rum. It's mellow. It has notes of fruits and spices. It's got a long finish. It's a beautiful thing. And it's elegant, just like Harry. I'm going to go with a full ounce of Eldorado. Looking good. Good looking. Okay, next. You might think this is a little weird, but this also pairs well with everything I got going on in here. I got some Fireball whiskey. Weird, eh? Yeah, but think about it. Bananas, cinnamon, rum, cinnamon, coconut, cinnamon. It all makes sense. Now I don't want a lot because I don't want it cinnamon driven by any means. I just want like the essence floating in the background. I'm going with a bar spoon or teaspoon, whatever you want to call it. 5 ml. Fireball cinnamon whiskey. Sea salt. We want a good dash of sea salt in there. That's good. Perfect. And Angostura bitters. 2 dashes. 2 dashes, Aaron. 1, 2. See? Yeah. No, it was 2. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I've got 1.5 cups of crushed ice, and we're going to throw that in our blender. We're going to pop a lid on. Where the hell's my lid? Right here. Awesome. And we're going to blend on high, and we're going to liquefy everything. But not, you don't want it runny. You want it thick, but not runny. Okay. Oh. Oh, plug it in. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, now. Look at that. I'm in. Going to get my glass out of the freezer. I've got this beautiful glass. Now, you know, typically you'd put this like in a hurricane style glass, but I thought elegance was in order, right? It's a nice little chilled coupe, and we're just gonna pour this wonderful mix. Oh, look at that, 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 look at that. Beautiful. And it's all about garnish now. Yeah, it is. I am going to garnish. Might not be as creative as Harry, but it's going to be lovely, nevertheless. I've got some nice toasted coconut chips, and we're going to drop those right on the side here of the glass. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Nice. And you know how much I like mint. We are going to grab a lovely little sprig of mint. Wow. God, I love that smell. Little wake her up. Throw in a nice little bouquet of mint there. And as a final topper, a little bit, not a lot, a little bit of fresh grated nutmeg over top. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And there you have it. Okay, let's check out my Aloha Serenade. A whisper from Harry. Well, I get the mint right up the nose. Of course I do. And actually the coconut chips, the toasted coconut chips are delightful. But what a combination. I get the banana, I get the coconut, very, very slight, because coconut is so delicate, right? I can't believe this doesn't taste like alcohol. We've got a lot of booze in here. I mean, there's an ounce of El Dorado, which is smooth. There's our Hennessy, which is smooth. And we got our Fireball whiskey, which is relatively smooth. And the pineapple rum. That's right, we got the pineapple rum. Actually, that's way in the background. The Fireball whiskey, I may even amp up in the future because it's way in the background too. But this is a beautiful thing. It's so easy going down. You'd never know you were drinking alcohol. Here's to you, Harry. I'm sure wherever you are, you're mixing up some fine tropical cocktails. Cheers. Hey, serenade yourself and make this beautiful cocktail. It is so creamy and delightful. It's tropical. Hey, what's not to like? You hit the subscribe button and check out some of these other videos on Harry Yee, the man, the legend. Yeah, okay. That is good. Happy birthday, Harry.